This is the place where connections, partnerships are built. It's a must within our schedule.
This is my first year at Money20. Before arriving here, I was nervous, thinking, not sure if we're going to fit in. But I think walking around and the conversations that you have, it's okay to be a little different.
This is my very first time at Money20. Really excited about this conference.
It's my third year in a row coming to the show. Really excited to be here. And we're doing a lot at Money20 this year. So I'm speaking 3 times and also in the commentator's box on the main stage.
I've got a few of my senior leaders that are speaking. I've got a podcast. I've got a couple of vendor and partnership meetings.
With partners, with prospects, financial institutions, fintechs, banks.
Leave some space for the unexpected things that pop up.
Money20 has been really helpful for us as a young team because there's so many folks across the industry that come. Last year when I came, we were already quietly building in stealth, and so this is the first year we're able to actually talk about what we're building.
You learn about the power of money moving around the world. Quite frankly, this is the best event.
Be here. There's no other smart decision. You need to be at Money20.